and Alex.
We're new to this channel and judge us if you can because we're new to YouTube and just comment down below what videos you want to we do to enjoy it.
Yep, let's get started right now.
I really have.
I'm not pausing the video though, because it's gonna
Okay.
sound strange.
Whoa, what's happening outside?
I know. Guys, if it sounds really weird, just comment down below. I'm
Yeah,
just, yeah, like of
so
Evelyn
we can
Boy.
see you.
Yeah. If you cannot hear Evelyn Boys, she can comment below if she can just talk slowly. Or just put the words. Or just edit the video and just put the word that she's saying.
Uh-huh. Okay, where are you? I lost you.
Right here.
Where is it?
And
Oh
then
wow.
it in the link in the description. We're gonna like put our Instagram accounts. If you wanna just follow me.
Yeah,
Follow us, not me.
yeah, follow us so we can have a lot of things
Yeah, we
and
can just talk.
and if you follow us, we're gonna follow y'all. So
Yeah.
don't forget that. Okay, I lost you. Where are you?
I mean the like, you know where the dropper
What dropper? Oh,
the dropper machine
yeah.
shine. And by the way,
Okay.
I'm just gonna add like I'm just gonna put a description of our accounts on Roblox.
Okay.
To
So,
just like, whoa, that was so
what did you?
crazy. Look, there's
And if you
popcorn.
come,
There's popcorn
what?
here.
Popcorn.
Help me move it.
How do you move it?
Over here. Fish over here.
Volcano.
Oh, I'm close. I almost run on that.
Come on, let's go inside this thing.
I'm just going inside the little
Come on.
house. Whoa, where are you? Oh, I'm just going over there with you.
Okay, I'm gonna wait right here.
Hopefully I don't die or explode.
If I explode, I'm gonna be so sad. Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, it's actually a safe place.
Yeah, I exactly did.
Yeah. At least the volcano's not that bad.
Okay, I wanna go check. I wanna go check.
I wanna go check. I wanna go check. Fuck no, I'm just kidding.
Let's go inside. Oh, how do I get inside? Oh, I'm in the just in the window. This is actually a thing happening to us.
I know. Oh god. How many rounds? How many rounds we had to do like for our first video?
Yeah. So guys, if you wanna follow us too, and if you wanna like join us in our games, you can just follow us and on Roblox, and then we'll follow you, and we can play together.
I just already tell that,
I
but
didn't
in a
know, but
different way though. Hey, we survived.
instead of my fault and your fault.
Yeah. Whoa, I just zoomed out really hard, really, really hard. I mean, really far.
Where are you? I lost you. Just I
I'm
always
over
lost
here.
you. I don't know why.
She always lost people.
I always lose people. It's like really hard or to find someone. Oh, wait,
Over
I
here.
found you.
Get ready? Oh.
I think this is. Oh, here. Where are you? I lost you. Oh, you. No, that's not you. I'm just gonna go to a safe place before I get killed or something. Here.
Let's go to this lovely house. Oh, you broke that door.
I'm just
Ellen,
going somewhere.
you broke that door.
I'm just going this way. I don't know where I'm going. I don't even know where I am.
Ellen, you broke that door. Look, come over here.
Let me go. Wait. Just go then. Oh, hi.
Look, come over here. You broke this door.
I just wanted to.
You broke the this door.
Come on, go up here.
Actually, it's not a safe place.
Really? Then go to a safe
Let's go
place.
to where it's like what's it called? The stairs. Under the stairs.
Oh, here. Yeah.
We're smart.
Guys, we always hide in the under on the stairs. On the stairs, is a safe place.
Oh god.
Alright.
Sorry guys. Hopefully this house doesn't explode.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Like, my mom hand hurts, and then she's like, I have my boogie.
Dang, that lighthouse almost like gonna fall down. Wow, I exploded. I exploded.
Let's get out of here. I'm getting out of here. I'm stuck. I am really stuck.
I exploded so hard.
I exploded too, most of all. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh no. How do I get out of here?
Where? I thought you exploded.
No, I'm actually stuck. Help me. Oh, there you go. I'm safe now. Actually, I'm gonna go back. I survived. Oh, actually, I just survived. You didn't.
I didn't because I exploded.
Excuse me, ma'am, you should put clothes on. Okay, I already saw from the stairs.
Blip. I don't know why everyone just like pushing each other.
Okay,
No,
come on.
don't push me.
I'm not pushing you.
Oh, where's your we are in your dad work.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, I have to go because I have to do something. So bye.
Yeah, let's just end this video. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you in the next
Bye.
video. Bye.